SEC rejects DeFi Development Corp's $1 billion Solana bid over S-3 filing eligibility. SEC. Solana. DeFi Development Corp's withdrawn SEC filing underscores how even public, Nasdaq-listed companies can be tripped up by overlooked compliance details. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan. A cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism. Brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, Last Updated, 4 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. DeFi Development Corp has withdrawn its $1 billion registration filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, after the regulator found the company ineligible to use the streamlined S-3 form. The setback stems from a missing internal controls report in the company's most recent Form 10-K. The company, which is listed on Nasdaq and formerly operated under the name Genover, had filed the S-3 registration on April 25. The aim was to raise capital for general corporate purposes, including purchasing more Solana, SOL, tokens. But the SEC found that the filing was ineligible because DeFi Development Corp failed to include a management report on internal controls over financial reporting in its most recent Form 10-K. DeFi Development Corp cites investor protection in withdrawing SEC filing. In a notice submitted to the SEC this week, the company requested to withdraw the registration under Rule 477 of the Securities Act, stating that no securities have been issued or sold under the registration statement. It also emphasized that the filing had not been declared effective by the Commission. DeFi Development Corp said the decision to withdraw aligns with the public interest and the protection of investors. The firm plans to refile a resale registration statement in the future once it addresses the compliance issue. The company acknowledged that the fees paid to the SEC for the registration would not be refunded but requested that they be credited toward a future filing. Despite the setback, DeFi Development Corp is not walking away from its plans. It said it plans to file a resale registration statement in the future. The firm had originally disclosed that some of the funds raised could go toward acquiring more Solana tokens, while also warning that price volatility might affect their value if converted back into cash. The company said that the unused registration fees from the filing will be credited toward future filings under SEC Rule 457-P. However, it acknowledged that no refunds would be issued. The company understands that the Commission has determined that it does not meet the eligibility requirements for the use of Form S-3 at this time. The filing stated, citing the missing internal controls report as the reason for ineligibility. While no timeline has been provided for the updated filing, the firm made clear its intention to pursue the offering again in compliance with SEC standards. For now, the Solana investment plan is on hold, pending the resolution of the regulatory issue. DeFi Development Corp raises $42 million for Solana strategy in April. DeFi Development Corp had aimed to use the proposed $1 billion S-3 filing to build a significant Solana treasury, mirroring strategies like MicroStrategy's Bitcoin accumulation. The plan centered on acquiring SOL tokens with the intention of generating returns through staking rewards, returns that would only materialize if Solana's price appreciated over time. The company made its position clear in the filing, stating that the raised capital would be directed towards Solana purchases and staking yield. While the SEC's rejection leaves the future of that plan uncertain, DeFi Development has already made moves in the Solana ecosystem. As disclosed in an April 7 announcement, the firm raised $42 million via a private offering of convertible notes and warrants tied to its Solana strategy. The notes carry a 2.5% annual interest rate, maturing in 2030, with conversion terms dependent on reaching a $100 million market cap. The move follows a leadership shift in April 2025, following the acquisition of over 728,000 shares by former Kraken executives. Joseph Onorati, Kraken's ex-chief strategy officer, now leads the firm. Under the new direction, DeFi Development adopted Solana as a reserve asset, echoing the playbook of Bitcoin-heavy treasuries, but targeting an asset they see as earlier in its adoption cycle. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Leading AI, Claude, predicts the price of Ethereum, Cardano, and XRP by end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Ripple's Wall Street deal with Guggenheim sparks $100 target speculation. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Altcoin news. Serial investor Gary Cardone slams XRP as Ripple aligns with Europe on digital euro project. 2 days ago, by Amin Ayan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. $200,000 target in sight amid Trump and Japan tailwinds. 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Press releases. Google's AI Gemini predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Cardano by end of 2025. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.